Hello, I'm Chris. In this video we're going to have a look at which lane to choose at roundabouts and when to signal. If you've got your first lesson on roundabouts coming up soon, or you just need a refresh, then this video's for you. You'll know you're approaching a roundabout as you might see this warning sign, and then a bigger sign like this one. You might also see road markings or a sign showing which lane to choose. Signs and markings indicating which lane you need are useful, but not all roundabouts have them, and it's these roundabouts that we're going to have a look at today. This sign shows that the roundabout I'm approaching has an exit to the left, ahead, and to the right. I could also go full circle around the roundabout and back the way I came. I'm turning left at this roundabout, first exit, so I'll need the left-hand lane. Check the mirrors, signal left, brake in, giving way to any traffic on the right. It looks busy. First gear. Looking right to see how busy it is, and ahead so I keep in position and keep an eye on the car in front. Quick glances. Wait for the lorry. Now it looks clear. Check the interior and left-hand mirror and cancel the signal if it hasn't gone off already. Although the lorry was in the right-hand lane, I still had to wait for it, as it might have wanted the same exit as me. This time I'm following the road ahead. Second exit. I'll go in the left-hand lane as I'm not turning right. The left-hand lane isn't blocked, and there aren't any signs or road markings telling me any different. No signal needed on approach as I'm going ahead. Now I have to give way to any traffic approaching from the right, but be careful not to stare to the right. You also need to look ahead where you're going, as you need to keep in lane, and the driver in front could brake at any time. Plan your route, as it's really important once it's safe to go, to keep in the left, outside lane, as there might be another road user on your right. As I'm passing the exit before the 101, I'll check mirrors and signal to exit. Signalling left to exit informs other road users that you're leaving the roundabout. If you're just starting to practice roundabouts and feel there's just too much to do on approach, then try approaching them a bit slower. This will give you more time to be prepared, especially if it's busy. You'll be able to process everything quicker with practice and experience. At the next roundabout, I'm turning right, third exit. I'll need the right-hand lane for this. Check my mirrors. Now signal right. Give way to the right, but I'm also watching the driver on the left as they're a little out of their lane. All clear and safe. Accelerate up to second gear, keeping the right-hand lane. As I'm passing the exit before the 101, check mirrors, signal left, and move over to the left if it's safe. Before I cross lanes and manoeuvred over to the left to exit, I checked my mirrors, and I also had a quick sideways glance to the left, just in case there was someone next to me that I couldn't see in the mirrors. Always look out for other drivers that might not keep in their lane, and be ready to react. Especially look out for long vehicles such as lorries and buses, as they might straddle lanes. You could also drive full circle round the roundabout and go back to where you came from. Check mirrors, signal right, avoid the hatch markings, and keep to the right. Check mirrors and signal to exit. Sometimes the signal will go off itself on the roundabout when it needs to be on. Listen for the ticking sound and put it back on if needed. Watch this video next if you're unsure when to go at roundabouts. If you hesitate at roundabouts, then this video might help. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe as it really helps us make more videos. In the meantime, keep safe on the road and bye for now.